Pamela's Creations. I'm so happy you are here. In today's video is sponsored with a product that was kindly sent to me by FeelLook Art. Right here. Thank you to FeelLook Art for sending this to me to share with you all. If you love crafting, relaxing hobbies, or diamond painting, I think you're really going to enjoy seeing this kit. So let's open up this kit and take a look at everything that's included. I'll even show you the canvas, the drills, the tools. Now I'm going to work on the project later. I'm not going to do it right now. So if you decide you like to try FeelLook Art for yourself, I have an affiliate link in the description box below. Using my link supports my channel at no extra cost to you, and I really would appreciate it. I also have a coupon code PAM10 to save on your order, which everything will be linked down the screen. So let's get started. So here is a diamond painting here, and it's called Prismatic Butterfly. And I like the box. It also has a QR code, and it has Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, YouTube, and I thought TikTok was on here, but maybe not. There we go. And it says everything you need inside and details on the back. And it shows what it looks like here. So let's open it up. Here are the tabs on the side right here. So we'll open it up. And you get the drill pamphlet. It has all the stickers in there. So there's that. And here is the instruction pamphlet. So there's that. And here it is wrapped up. Okay, the first thing I noticed is this canvas is very soft. So I'm liking that. Very nice. I'm gonna open it up, and I will open this up on the table, and we'll look around the table here and look at the painting. So we got all the drills here. All right, here is a diamond painting, the little kit that you get. It comes in this really nice bag. And I already opened it up off camera. There's all these goodies we get here. Okay, first we get some of these stickers to put on the compartments. We get 2 trays, plastic baggies, a diamond painting pen, which looks really nice. Looks like it's already filled. You also get some putty. And then you get some tweezers. And here are the drills. They're absolutely stunning. A lot of drills. There is a total of, looks like 35 colors on here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to spread this out so we can take a really good view of it. So there's that. Very beautiful. Okay, one thing I did notice on here, it says 2 wax pads. Now, I only got the wax, putty, so I didn't get the extra pad. Plus, I did not get the 6 extra pin tips in various sizes. So I'm not sure exactly what's going on with that. But other than that, it's really good. I like it. And then we're going to lay this diamond painting out so you all can see it really good. Alright, so it is a 60 by 80 centimeter design, and it is a 68 by 88 centimeters fabric. So this is what it's looking like. You can see that the drills is very, very clear. Even the dark, look at that. It's very tacky. Very. But look at this. Look how pretty that is. I love it. So like I said, the coupon code and affiliate link will be linked down below in the description box, even if you want to check them out. So thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to check out FeelLook Art affiliate link in my description box to save on your purchases. And thank you for supporting my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.